Hello everyone! Today, I'm sharing a healthy and delicious dessert made with just a few simple ingredients. It's easy to prepare, naturally sweet, and perfect for breakfast, a snack, or a light dessert. Start by adding 4 ripe bananas, 3 eggs, and a splash of vanilla to a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. Next, add 60 grams of oat flour and 250 ml of milk. Then blend again until creamy and well combined. Now stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and mix evenly. Pour the mixture into a heat-proof dish. Cover it and cook it in a water bath over low heat for 40 minutes. Once it's cooked, let it cool slightly before serving. The texture is soft, creamy, and incredibly satisfying. Enjoy it as is or top it with fresh banana slices, cinnamon, or your favorite nuts for extra flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe. Enjoy!